Hey, hey, hey! Imagine having a superpower to turn your dreams into reality. Well, that's exactly what VYB is here to do. What is VIB? VYB stands for Visions Yours Believe. It's a community where dreamers and doers come together to make more money, start businesses, support and uplift each other. How it works. 1. Join VYB. 2. Connect with people who want to see you win. 3. Get tools and strategies to build success. And the best part, you're never alone. It's a team effort. How much? Just $25 Kwayon to start, less than 2 fast food meals. That's an investment in your future, not a waste. Why now? The best time to start is now. VYB is growing fast, and those who take action first get the biggest rewards. Sign up now. Click the link before you miss out. Stop thinking, start doing. Let's VYB up your life.